Is straw bale construction something that you have come to after researching all the other kinds of alternative buildings, or?
It's always been there, but I hadn't personally investigated it. But the pieces of information that started to emerge were the high natural energy efficiency that it brings because of the thickness, the insulating quality of the walls.
In the construction, you won't save any money.
Right.
Living in it, you begin to
Yes.
appreciate the savings.
Yeah.
The heater thing that you see
In the wall.
is used maybe 3 or 4 times a year. And I
Yeah.
don't have air conditioning.
Yeah.
And I don't need air conditioning.
What is surprising, I think, to many people is its high fire resistance. Just you
I
would
know
think.
they think it's just the opposite.
Yeah, it's sort of a yeah. It's not a logical thing, but because of the way it's compressed, it doesn't encourage, the movement of air or a lot of air and thus fire through along its length. So it's naturally resistant. But then the other thing, you've got 2 or 3 inches of plaster also on the outside, so it's even better than stucco in that regard because it's got that extra depth. The aesthetic qualities that we talked about also are very important to me, and the feel. It all just added up to
So the whole package became compelling to
very compelling.
all the features.
But at the same time, balancing that with all the concerns we talked about is, it's not necessarily the easiest way to get a permit is to come at them with something that has something they're not familiar with, and they have to, dig a little deeper for themselves to make sure that you're not going to create a situation that is either non-compliant or just simply
Unworkable.
not unworkable. Yeah.